Hello everyone, my name is Musa from Daytona, Japan, and today I'm going to introduce Daytona USB cables. So Daytona USB cables have 4 different types. Let's go check them one by one. The first type here is from USB type A to type C, and this one here is from type C to type C, and this one is from type A to lightning, and here type C to lightning. So lightning cables have MFI certification as well, so they are safe to use with your iPhone, iPad or iPod. And so let's go check these cables together. And these are 20 centimeters long cables, and the connector is L-shaped. So these are especially designed for motorcycles. They clean up the look of your motorcycle. Very convenient, and also they have a rubber cap here. So you can close the cap when it's raining or when you want to protect your cable from dust or rain. Very convenient, so please close your cap when you're not using the cable. And let's compare Daytona cables with standard long cables. As you can see right here, this cable is really long, so you have to run your cable around your cockpit, and it's not a really good look. It's very long. And so let's compare this to Daytona cable. I'm going to remove this cable from this motorcycle first. And this is also a Daytona USB A charger. And this is also Daytona, another Daytona product, the smartphone holder. Okay, right now I'm using a USB A to lightning cable, Daytona. As you can see, it's not very long. It's the perfect size for motorcycle use. It looks great. It is very clean compared to the previous situation. And let's turn on the bike and see the charging. Yep, as you can see, the smartphone is charging right now. And here you can see there's an LED. This LED tells us the motorcycle is on, so it's getting power right now. And also another convenient purpose of this LED is that when it's dark, so you don't have to search for the end of your cable. So it's really easy to see your cable's end when it's dark, when you're riding at night. It's very convenient. So that's all for today's Daytona USB cable introduction. Thanks for watching.